Have you ever felt like you're fighting a losing battle with distractions? The phone pings, the endless scrolling, and the overwhelming pressure to stay connected, stealing your time, energy, and dreams. What if I told you that this constant noise isn't just draining your focus, it's silently stealing your future? If you don't act now, you might wake up one day wondering, what happened to all those dreams you once had? But it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to regain your focus, protect your time, and build the life you truly want in a world designed to distract you. Stick around till the end, because one small tip could change your life forever.
Section 1. The reality of distractions. The reality of distractions. The average person spends over 7 hours a day on their screen. That's nearly 50% of your waking life gone. Imagine if you could use even half of that time to work on your goals. Do you know what's at stake? Your dreams, your health, your relationships? Every moment you spend distracted is a moment stolen from something meaningful. But here's the truth. It's not your fault. The world is designed to steal your attention. Social media apps are engineered to trap you in endless scrolling. Notifications are crafted to keep you coming back. This isn't just a fight for focus. It's a fight for your freedom. The turning point. But what if you could break free? What if you had the power to control your attention instead of being controlled by it? In just a moment, I'll reveal the one habit that can completely transform how you use your time. But first, let's understand why your brain craves distractions. Section 2. The science of distraction. When you check your phone, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. This is why distractions feel so tempting. They're designed to make you feel rewarded. But here's the catch. This dopamine isn't real progress. It's fake satisfaction. True satisfaction comes from seeing progress in your life, completing a project, learning a new skill, or spending quality time with loved ones. And guess what? You can rewire your brain to crave real rewards instead of cheap distractions. I'll show you how in just a bit. The game-changing habit. But first, let me ask you this. What's the one thing you want to achieve right now? Picture it. Now imagine how your life would change if you made this your top priority. In the next segment, I'll share the exact strategy that helped me and thousands of others achieve laser-sharp focus. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Section 3. The power of the one-thing rule. The secret to staying focused in a distracted world is simplicity. Focus on one thing at a time. This is called the one-thing rule. Every day, choose just one task that will bring you closer to your biggest goal. Block out everything else until it's done. Sounds simple, right? But it's incredibly powerful. Here's why this works. When you focus on one task, you enter a state called deep work, a flow where time disappears and your productivity skyrockets. Imagine finishing in hours what used to take days. Section 4. Practical tips to build unstoppable focus. Now that you know the power of focus, here are 3 actionable tips to apply today. 1. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications. Use apps like Freedom or Stay Focused and create a distraction-free zone. 2. Time block your day. Schedule specific time slots for your tasks and stick to them. 3. Practice mindfulness. Spend 5 minutes a day meditating to train your brain to resist distractions. These habits might seem small, but they're life-changing when practiced consistently. The biggest mistake you must avoid. But here's the trap you need to avoid: multitasking. Multitasking isn't a sign of efficiency, it's a recipe for disaster. In the final segment, I'll explain why and show you how to protect your focus like your life depends on it. Because it does. Section 5. The art of saying no. Emotional closing. Every time you say yes to distractions, you're saying no to your dreams. But the opposite is also true. When you say no to what doesn't matter, you're saying a powerful yes to what does. So what will you choose today? Distractions or your dreams? The choice is yours. But remember, every day you wait is a day you'll never get back. Take control of your focus. Take control of your life. Now that you know how to stay focused, take it a step further. Watch my next video, Manifest Your Dreams, 100 Powerful Affirmations for Achieving Your Goals. It's packed with tools to supercharge your mindset and make your dreams a reality. Click the link now, and I'll see you there. You've taken the first step today. Don't stop now. Your future self is waiting, and trust me, they'll thank you.